What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing another microphone from this company called VeGue. As you guys saw in the previous video, we reviewed the MV30, which is a cheaper microphone that they offer for $30. If you missed that video, it'll be right here or in the bottom down there, so make sure to go to watch it after this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I would like to welcome you. My name is VeGue. We do tech reviews here. We review microphones, monitors, keyboards, mice, PC stuff, all sorts of stuff that have to do with gaming and streaming. For this video, we're going to be reviewing the VeGue or VeGue. I don't know how to say this company's name, to be honest. I apologize if I'm butchering it right now. So I'm excited to review this microphone actually. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's unbox the VM50 and check it out. Alright guys, so we just plugged in the VM50 into the PC. It's connected right there. I'm not letting you guys listen to the audio yet. I'm still recording on this microphone up here. But before we even get started testing on the audio, a couple things that I noticed so far. The quality build of this microphone is incredible. It's all metal around here. It's super light, but it's all metal, which is really nice. The knob feels really smooth for adjusting the audio. Currently I have it at 50%. It is a little bit loose, so that part is a little bit scary. I don't know if that's because it's because when you press on it, it actually mutes the microphone. But one of the coolest parts about this microphone is it has lights. So when it's not muted, it's white. And when it's muted, it's red. How cool is that? That's really cool. I love this design of, the design of like the pop filter that they have over here, like the metal edition that's just connected to the shock mount, which is really cool. The one thing that I'm not 100% sure about is how to connect this to a boom arm. You might have to actually buy a different adapter to connect this to a boom arm out of the box. Let's go ahead and switch to this microphone and test it out. We're going to be doing 3 different tests. Test number 1 is going to be audio test. Test number 2 is going to be a background noise test. And test number 3 is going to be a keyboard noise test. The microphone is set at 50% on the gain right here. In the PC settings, it's set at 80%, 85% gain. That's how I usually test all of my USB microphones. Without further ado, test number 1, switching to the VM50 right now. What is going on, guys? My name is VeGue. I welcome you to my channel. I hope you hit the like button by now. We are testing the VeGue VM50. We are testing the VeGue VM50 microphone. This microphone costs around $50, but sometimes it goes for sale for like 25 bucks. I'll leave all those links down below in the description so you can check out this microphone for yourself on Amazon. That was test number 1. Test number 2 is going to be a background noise test. We're going to be testing how much background noise this microphone picks up in 1, 2, 3, and go. Test number 3 is going to be a keyboard test. This is a blue switch keyboard. We'll be testing it behind the microphone because that's where I usually put my keyboards, is behind my microphone, and I like the microphone to be close to me. All these tests are happening at this distance of 6 to 8 inches, so let's go ahead and test number 3 is going to be a keyboard test going in 1, 2, 3. Cool. I'm going to go ahead, listen to the audio right now, and let you know what I think. Is this microphone worth $50 or not? Wow, this microphone is really good. I am actually really surprised at how good this microphone sounds for $50, sometimes even way cheaper, like $25. This microphone might be the best microphone I've tested under $50. I don't even know what to say. The VeGue VM50 is an incredible USB microphone, has really good features that not a lot of microphones have at this price point. It looks really good, it sounds really good, and it looks really good. Very stable on your desk. It looks good. It doesn't look clunky or large. So highly recommended. This is the VeGue VM50 and this is my review of it. I really like it and thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions about the VeGue microphone, let me know. I'd love to answer all of them down below in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.